Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna be reviewing the Zoom H6 recorder. So what do you need to know about the Zoom H6? First of all, it has 4 XLR or TRS inputs. You can monitor the sound level on each individual track. It can also record a safety track of -12 dB. So if you have someone that is really loud when he speaks, this effect will compress the sound and it will not get it to the peaking level. And for the phantom power on the Zoom H6, as you guys know, some microphones needs phantom power for them to work. So the Zoom H6 has a phantom power on each XLR input. So that is really great. And for the screen on the Zoom H6, it has a tilted screen, which is great for location recording, so you can monitor the sound while recording. And for the battery life on the Zoom H6, it can record up to 10 hours straight. It depends on the microphones that you are using. For example, I'm using the built-in microphone, which will save me more battery lifetime. The more microphones you connect to the device, the more battery they are going to eat up. So if you're on a budget and you can't buy a sound mixer, the Zoom H6 would be a great choice for you. So guys, that was my review on the Zoom H6 recorder. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below, and I would really appreciate if you could smash that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.